Welcome back, Truck and Riders. Today we are going to check a new tent. This is not a Truck and Ride product. This we picked up from Amazon, and just to check, understand the working. This is from a company called Nature Hike. It's an imported tent. Currently, it's available in Amazon. This is a one-person tent actually. So we wanted to check whether it's suitable for bike riders or cyclists or bikepackers. So let's see how compact and how easy it is to install. This is very compact, weighing approximately 1.6 kg, outer cover. Let's see what all things are there in the package. Okay, small strap here. Okay, one of the. This is maybe the pegs. I think this looks like the pegs, and this is the main tent. Okay, let's see what is this. So this is a tent. Where is the ground sheet? Let me check the ground sheet first. Okay, this looks like the ground sheet. This is the most important part, I think. It's got the pole. I think they have given the pole like this, collapsible fully, so should be easy to open up. Let us see. Let's see how easy for this guy to. Okay, so the basic structure is ready. This should be the main components. So in order to avoid wind, you have to just ensure that you are putting this on. So this is the basic structure. This has a big opening on the side. It's easy to close it and open it. And two-way zipper from inside also you can open. Let's put the outer cover also. Got a ply sheet. Hope it's like this. Let me check whether it is like this. Okay, this got a nice adjustable buckle here, which we can clip onto the foot peg like this. This has a side opening for ventilation. I think only one side they have given like that. And let me just see here, it's a little bit big size. Maybe this is an extra room. Looks like an extra room. Yes. So this can be opened like this. Maybe you can expand this one and keep it. Okay, use another peg. So this can be opened and kept it like this. Here you can adjust the Complement this, we have a Truck and Ride sleeping bag, which is manufactured here in Chennai. So let's see this one. So this got a compression strap like this, so you can pack it tightly. It's very compact again, hardly 800 grams. You open the compression straps and then the outer cover. This is polyester fabric in army green color, and this is adult size. This can accommodate people up to 6'3" comfortably. This is actual size, and this got Recron filling inside, and this one is ideal for 10 to 20 degree kind of temperature. This can be opened fully like this. So for a normal picnic and all, you can even use it as a ground sheet. This also has a two-way runner, so it's easy to close it. Easy to close it from inside or outside. This is the actual shape and size of the thing, and it got adjustable straps like strings like this. So once you sleep inside, you can easily adjust the head cover like this. You can adjust it. So let's put this inside and see whether it is fitting inside properly.
I think this is an ideal combination for a solo rider, cyclist or motorcycle rider, even bikepackers. They can easily carry this in their backpack or saddle bag or tail bag comfortably, and pitch a tent and sleep comfortably without worrying about natural elements, rain, cold, etc. And hardly together it will be about 2.3 kilograms. So this will be a ideal combination.